Artists. Artists make things. They use their hand. They use tools. They have ideas. They like to create. Art can be colorful. Art can be many shapes. Arts can draw. Arts can paint. Artists are creative people. Chef. Chefs cook food. They work in kitchens. They use pots and pans. They use sharp knives. Chefs tasty food. They make food yummy. They wear special hats. Chefs can bake cake. Chefs can grill meat. They food hungry. They feed hungry people. Taxi drivers drive cars. They pick up people. They take people places. They know many roads. They drive day and night. They use a meter. They help people get around. They can drive in cities. They often listen in the radio. Dentists help teeth. They look inside mouth. They use small mirror. They clean teeth. They fill. They tell you how to brush. They wear gloves. They help stop tooth haze. They want your teeth healthy. He work in clinic. Carpenter work with wood. They build things. They use saws. They use hammer. They make function. They build houses. They measure carefully. They can fix wood. They wear safety grease. They create useful things. Astronaut travel to space. They ride in rockets. They float in space. They wear special suits. They live on a space station. They see Earth from far away. They train very hard. They can do walks. They do science experiment. They explore the universe. Gardener work with plants. Gardener dig in the soil. Gardener plant seeds. Gardener they water they water flowers. They grow veggies. They grow vegetables. They use tool like shovel. They pull out wells. They help things grow. They make place beautiful. They love nature. Housekeeper clean houses. They use mops and brooms. They dust furniture. They turn up rooms. They make beds. They wash clothes. They keep things neat. They help keep places fresh. They work in homes or hotels. They help make space comfort, comfortable. Waiter. Waiters work in restaurants. They take food orders. They carry trays. They bring food to tables. They bring drinks too. They clean tables. They talk to customers. They help people eat. They are polite. Soldiers are part of an army. So they wear uniforms. They training very hard. They learn to be strong. They protect their country. They use special equipments. They follow orders. They work as team. They are brave. They help keep people safe.